install this Navbar indicator in your template. So first of all, go to edit HTML. After that, copy this HTML code, then add it in Navbar. In other words, you can add it below header. Next, copy this JavaScript, then add it above close body tag. After that, copy this CSS, then add it. Okay, now save the theme. Now refresh the page and you will see the scroll bar. But it not look as much good. So we again go to edit HTML. Okay, now first we change the position of the scroll bar. If you want to change the color of the scroll bar, then simply again go to edit HTML. Find the class. Here I change the color blue to red. That's it. Hopefully this video can be useful.